Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing my May Ipsy Unbagging. The theme for this month is like traveling, and I think it's called Go There. So the bag looks like it has like stamps from like passports and stuff on it, or some of them are mail type stamp. Like I don't know, it's just stamps on this side, and then on this side it's like a peachy kind of color. Okay, like I like this bag more than one of the other bags, but it's still not my favorite. So today I'm going to do my thing a little differently, and I'm actually going to do a try on of all the products except for one of them, just because one of the things I got was the painting therapy pack, or got one of them, and this is the black color clay mask. It's by Tony Moly, and I didn't want to sit here with the face mask on and then take it all off and then have to, so I'm not going to try this on, but once I do try it, I will let you know what I think about it. But yeah, the first thing I actually am going to try is I got this Shining Miss Glam sponge. It has like a cutout on this one side, and then other than that it's pretty rounded. It's a very similar shape to the L'Oreal sponge other than this cutout right here. So I'm going to use it to apply my foundation and concealer and my powder. So I'm going to run through real quick. I'm gonna speed this up through my foundation and concealer. Alright, so this sponge does soak up quite a bit of foundation and concealer. But I definitely want to try it with using this side for the setting powder. And I'm going to actually be trying another Ipsy product now, and that is the Tarte Amazonian Clay Smooth Operator Powder. I've never tried this, so that was cool. It had a little thing to cover up the lid, so I'm just gonna try and get some out. Okay, so I got some powder out, and we're just going to go and set the face. So I don't know if it was just the packaging on this one, because I've never tried this otherwise, but it only had 2 little dots, so it was really hard to get any of the powder out of the sifter to be able to actually set my face. But it set my face pretty nicely. However, I don't know if it gives any flashback, so we will try that real quick. Oh yeah. Real bad flashback. And I set my whole face, so it's only in some spot. But you can't really tell where they are just looking, like in the camera or anything. So that's definitely, you probably wouldn't know till it's too late. Alright, so now I'm going to go through and finish the rest of my face makeup to come back and try out the last 2 products in my Ipsy bag. So in order to be able to use one of my last products, I need to start an eye look. So I'm just going to use the Too Faced Chocolate Bonbons palette because it's very neutral, and this eyeshadow is very not neutral. So I'm trying to do a more neutral background so I can use this as like a pop of color. So I'm just going to run through part of the eye look, and then I'll come back and actually talk whenever I'm to the point where I'm going to use the other eyeshadow. So now I'm going to take the next product in my Ipsy bag, which is this Elizabeth Mott Pop Goes the Shadow, and this is in Mermaid Teal. Alright, so now I'm going to go into the Kathleen Light's Dream Street palette and finish up this eye look. And the final product from this month's Ipsy bag is this soft matte lip cream in the shade Cairo. So I definitely think that this lip color is too nude for me because it literally makes it look like I have concealer lips. So I'm going to mix it with a little bit of Lumiere 2. Okay, that's a lot better. And I actually kind of like the color of Lumiere 2 better with that mixed color in it, and since this is an ultra matte lip, they're not too dry, but it just makes it more comfortable. But yeah, that is the finished look with my Ipsy products. That sponge, I'll probably use it just for powder. I probably won't use it for foundation. Then the pressed powder I won't use if I'm going to do any flash photography, but otherwise it sets everything really nicely. The mask I don't know about yet. The eyeshadow, it probably won't be used very often because it's kind of like how in the Kathleen Lights palette, how there's that mermaid boy shade. I don't really use that mermaid boy shade that often. And then this is too nude for me, but I think I'd like it to lighten other lips. So, and like, it made Lumiere a lot more comfortable. So like mixing this with an ultra matte lip from ColourPop is really nice because it makes it a lot more comfortable. It kind of makes it similar to the ultra satin lip, that kind of feel. But yeah, that is everything for this month's Ipsy Unbagging. If you want to subscribe to Ipsy, there is a link at the top of my description. You can click on it and you will be signed up, but it is my referral code, so I will give the disclaimer that if you do use that code, I do get points for it. That is everything. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Bye!